Today we will learn about VLANs, networking, and I would like to tell you about the full basic networks, what is networking and how we do. So this is a packet tracer, and we'll create some lab here, different buildings, different branches and different things. Let's start from the scratch. We will use a switch here, like this is our small branch. There we have 3 computers, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so this is our switch. So we'll connect these 3 computers, state over cable, this one with 1 with 0 PC, second computer with port 2, third computer with port number 3. Okay, so this is our one branch. You can say this is our one branch, and if you want to draw some circles here, we can connect with our rectangle and we can say this is our one branch. Okay, fill color. Okay, so here we can create our another branch. Okay, so this will be our second branch. Okay, first we'll focus on this one. Okay, so this branch, for example, put a label here also. There is some labels also, we can type some labels. Okay, so sizing, physical, note. Okay, this is branch A. Okay, so this is our branch A, right? Okay, so here we'll give 192.168.50.2. This PC will be 192.168.50.3. This PC will be 192.168.50.4. Okay, so these are the PCs. This is our switch. This is this IP address, this is this IP address, this is IP address. Okay, so let's see. First, this PC will configure, double click and configure IP address. So if you go desktop, you can see all the available applications on this PC. We can make TFTP service, we can make email service, we can make a lot of firewalls, IP4 firewalls. If you click here, you can see you can put the port and other stuff. So it's very nice simulator attributes. So we need only here configuration, or you can come to desktop, close this one, and you can go click on IP configuration. So here we'll do same IP for 192.168.50.2. subnet mask is this. Gateway will put 1. We haven't gave a gateway yet, but we can put 1 because this one we will create later. Our router. Okay, terminal. Okay, I'll go check, double check IP config. See, our gateway is there, our subnet is there, our IP is there. It's similar. We'll go to IPPC1 configuration, interface or desktop IP configuration 192.168.50.3. This one. Okay, and one is a gateway. Which one we can give it later, no problem. IP config. Now I will ping from this PC, this one PC to 0 PC, which is 2. See, we having a reply via our switch. Let's go the second one, third PC, 192.168.50.4. Okay, here we go. Ping 192.168.50.2, pinging. Now we'll go for 3, also pinging. So these computers are pinging for each other now. Let's give a name to switch. It's a 0 switch. Double click on that switch. It will open here. Go to the CLI. Okay, we'll say enable conf t, and we'll give host name switch 01 or branch A LAN SW01. Okay, exit, write memory. Okay, so we gave this one. This switch is very simple. Okay, so we can create a VLAN here. Show VLANs. By default VLANs are here. You can see. Okay, so we'll create VLAN, or you can make 2 VLANs also, but we'll create one only for branch A. So these PCs with the first VLAN. Okay, conf t VLAN, just create 10. Okay, name branch A VLAN. Okay, exit, right, show VLAN. So 10 VLAN is created. Now we have to put these port numbers into this VLAN. First we will put port number for PC A. So one more thing, if you go in preferences and you can allow show port labels, so it will show you port labels also. Now see, you can see the port labels is fast 0, fast 1/1 and 0. Okay, so you can have a port number also. I will do little down, PC1. So you see port numbers 1, 2, 3. So we'll go configuration terminal interface, or you can say like that. First you can do show interface status. You can see these 3 ports are connected with the PCs. Okay, so we can put them into the VLAN interface fast 0/1. Okay, switch port mode access. Okay, switch port access VLAN, and then we'll give a VLAN number 10. Okay, exit, and write memory. So saved. So now you will see this computer cannot ping other computers because it's in a separate VLAN. This is the IP address, and we will try to ping 192.168.50.3, and I'll put continuous ping 3. It's not pinging because this port is in a different VLAN. The other 2 computers are still in by default VLAN 1. If I show you, I'll put this one on a continuous so you can see ping T. Okay, let it be on continuous, and if you come back here, show interface status, see the other two ports are in VLAN by default, VLAN 1. All the ports, when the switch came up, all the ports are in VLAN 1 by default. But we put it this computer which is connected on fast Ethernet 0/1 in our VLAN 10 which we created. That's why this computer don't have a ping and still requested timeout. Let's see this computer which is 3 and we are pinging to 3. Okay, let's put this computer also in same VLAN 10. So we'll go back to our switch and conf t interface fast 0/2 switch port mode access VLAN 10, and now you will see I will save the configuration, write memory. You can see now this computer is having a ping. You will see, just a second, because these two in a same VLAN. So this computer is in a same VLAN. A little time, it's up now, green, and you will see the ping is coming because this arrow still switch was doing some modifications. So see that now the ping is coming from these two can ping, but these two cannot ping the this other PC number 2, because this PC is still in VLAN 1, but these two computers in VLAN 10. That's why they can ping each other. But the third one, if we go back, okay, so you understand. So now let's see if this PC can ping the other two PCs. If we go ipconfig, I will go bring it little up and ping 192.168.50.2. No, it cannot ping because now this PC is still remaining in VLAN 1, and this PC is still VLAN 10, and this one too also in VLAN 10. So these can ping each other, but the third PC cannot. Let's bring it also, this third PC, into the VLAN 10. If you see the status, now you can see first two ports connected with PC 1 and 2, which is same VLAN 10, but third one still into VLAN 1. So let's make it third one also into the 0/3 switch port mode access. Okay, switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 10, and now you will see memory, and see still this port is not yet ready. So you will see this is still, I will put a continuous ping. See, this port is still red. If you see where the mouse is, when this will green, so this one will come into, see, is green, and now this can ping for both other two PCs. If I go for 3, it is also pinging, right? So this is the one. Let's bring the other switch, other branch into the action. We'll create another branch, and let's see between two switches how the VLANs are passing. Okay, so we will close this one. Okay, in the same branch, we'll create another branch, we'll change the color for this one, maybe yellow. Okay, we'll create this branch B. Okay, good. So this is branch A, this is branch B here, and I'll put B. Okay, so here we will also create a one switch. Okay, we'll go for a switch. Same, we'll connect switch here. Okay, and then we'll create two PCs or three PCs there. Similar, PC1, PC2, PC3. So here we have a PC1, PC2, PC3. So here also PC3, I will type the 192.168.40 or 50.4. Here will be 5. Here we'll connect 192.168.50.6. Same range, same IPs, 192.168.50.7. Okay, so we have three computers there, and I will connect these three also with our switch. Here, port 1, this PC, port 2, this PC, port 3, and we can configure these all. First PC, desktop IP address 192.168.50.5. I'll copy, so we can copy paste to the next. Okay, desktop, this one 6. Okay, this one is 7. Okay, this one. Okay, so these PCs can ping to each other. Let's see, 192.168.50.5. yeah, it's pinging. It will ping to 6 as well. Yeah, it's pinging because these are all in default VLAN now, and they can ping each other. Okay, so let's go for the switch 2. We'll go to the switch, enable conf T, host name of the switch is branch B SW01, and we'll make a VLAN 10, name branch B VLAN, same VLAN. Okay, exit, write memory. Okay, show interface status. Okay, conf T, interface range. I'll put all three 1, 2, 3 into the 0/1, 2, 3. Switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 10, exit, write memory. Okay, so all three is also in VLAN 10. Here is also VLAN 10. Here also VLAN 10. Okay, so now we need to connect these switches, these two switches, interconnection, and let's see if these 2-3 computers can ping in to these computers. Let's see. I'll connect crossover cable between our switches. I'll put double link. Let's see double link. Gigabit. Okay, 2 links are there. Now it will take a little time listening, learning, forwarding states. It will also go green, and let's see, one will be block. One area will be block. And we will see if our PC2 can ping to this PC IP 7, 6 or 5 on the other side. Okay. So let's see. IP config. This one is PC having a 2. See the IP address 2. This is our computer. So we will connect. We'll try to ping these 2 computers on the other side. Branch B. Ping 192.168.50.5. I'm gonna ping this PC. Let's see. Wow. No. Still no reply. No reply. Let's see 4 packets drop, and we'll say why this is not working. Let's see. Again, no reply. So I'll put a continuous ping. Enter. See? Okay, so what is the reason? The reason is, even though these branch B and branch A both are in VLAN 10, you can see these both are in VLAN 10. It should ping. So what is the issue? Why it's not pinging? The issue is because this interconnection link between these switches, they are not forwarding VLAN packets because these 2 links are not trunk links. We have to make these trunk links. So then these switches can forward the VLAN 10 packet to this switch and want to check with the other side if that guy is sitting there. So let's see, this is running on the side. We'll go on this switch. Okay, show interface status. If you see, these 2 links which we connected to other switches are connected, right? So I will select these 2 switch 2 ports. Interface range, range mean together, gigabit 0/1 and 2, switch port. Okay, description you can say connected to switch 2. Okay, and we say switch port mode trunk, and it goes down and up, and then we will save the configuration, and let's see if this computer still pinging. No, it will not ping. Let's see, give it some more time. Maybe the other side, the switch, this side we also have to give a ping. Okay, so these two is down, and this is one up, one down. So let's switch this switch also. You have to tell show interface status. It will show us the status, and you see these ports are automatically get into trunk because other side its duplex is auto. So let's see if this computer can ping or not. See, reply is there because we did on this switch trunk, and after little time this switch said, okay, I will also make a trunk because my other side is trunk. But we can do hard code. Interface range gigabit 0/1 to 2, switch port. Description you can say connected to branch B. Okay, not B, B, switch port mode trunk. Okay, and leave it right memory and save. So now both branches ready. See, so both branches computers can ping. It can ping to this 2. From 2 we can ping 5. Reply is coming. We can ping to switch 6, which is this one PC. Reply is coming. We can ping to 7, which is 6 PC. Reply is coming, and vice versa. From here 7 to you can ping the other computers 2. Yeah, see, reply is coming. 3, reply is coming. 4, reply is coming. Okay, so this was the trunk link, and then that was the both switches. Okay, so if you see, this is we connected 2 lines, 2 connections, but one is down and one is up. If you see, if I can zoom out this area, let's see here. Okay, so this area, this port is down. Okay, I will show you. Show VLAN. Okay, show interface status. Show VLAN. Okay, and show VTP status, trunking status. Version is this. Show spanning tree. Here you will see. See, there is these 2 our uplinks, and if you see, this one is in a blocking state. State is blocked. So this is red. Why it's blocked and one is forwarded? Because if both are open, so it will create a network loop like this. Packet going and coming like loop, big loop. That's why spanning tree is closed one link. So that link is closed. So we are getting only 1G. So we want to get 2G uplinks. What we can do, we can put these 2 links into a 1 port channel. Okay, let's go. We are in switch 0. Configuration, terminal. We'll say port channel interface port channel 6, last one. Enter. Name uplink. Okay, can go description uplink. Okay, and now we can put show interface port channel summary. Show port channel summary. Six is this. Show IP interface port channel. There is a command show interface EtherChannel summary. status. Okay, so this is up. Anyway, so we'll put 2 interfaces into the 6 port channel. We'll go T interface range gigabit 1/0 0/1 to 2 a channel okay, let's see channel group channel group 6 mode active, okay, which is LACP inter. Okay, now one side is port channel, another side is up. Our ping is dropped, so it's closed. Let's see, it's not ping because the other side we also have to make port channel like 7 here. See, this one will not ping to this PC from here to here because port channel, these links are down. So let's go, we'll create this one also. Enable T to show interface status. Okay, we'll make a port channel, interface port channel 6, description uplink exit interface range gigabit 0/1 and 2 port channel group group 6 mode active. Now write memory. We will see when this channel is up and this one is up, so both will this one not pinging to see, it's came back because port channel will be ready and we'll do shut no shut this side. Because we wrong spell and it went to translate into a domain. Anyway, let's see, the port channel is up. See, the reply is there. So now if we see that same spanning tree state, show spanning tree, all is forwarded states, all is forwarded, no blocking state, there is nothing in block. And show port, show interface port channel 6. This is the show IP inter show EtherChannel summary, and you will see our EtherChannel is ready, which is both ports are P mean, these are in port channel, and port channel is okay and healthy and it's working, right? So same like here, show ether channel summary, also good, right? Great. So you learn port channel also, that how the port channel is working. The similar setup we will create on the other side, another branch, and let's see that branch we can connect to the our server. Here a PC. Here we'll make a different VLANs. Okay. So here we'll make VLAN 20. Okay. And here we'll make 192.168.0.10 network. Okay. Okay, so 10 network, same we will connect one to this PC and then second to this PC and third to this PC, and let's create the VLAN and the IP settings. Here we'll go desktop, we'll create IP 2. Okay, here we'll create IP 3. Okay, here we'll create IP 4. Okay, so these computers can ping each other. IP config set 192.168.10. This is PC4. We can ping to 3. Yes, pinging. So, but we'll create here enable conti VLAN 10 name branch C. Okay, exit, show interface status. These three are connected. Conti, I will put them all into the one VLAN. Fast 0/123 switchboard mode access, switchboard access VLAN 10 20. I think we created 20, right? 20. Creating we created 10, sorry, so it will create show VLANs. Before we created 10, now no need 10. Conti no VLAN 10, exit, show VLANs, and you will see VLAN 20 is there. Right, memory, show interface status, and you will see all three these computers are in VLAN 20. Right, good. So I will connect another computer, another server between them. Not server, sorry, the layer 3 switch. I'll put a layer 3 switch in between them. Where is layer 3 switch? If we have any layer 3 switch here. These are routers and switches. We have layer 3 switch here. I'll put here layer 3 switch here or somewhere, which is our core network. Right? So this is multi-layer switch. I will connect this one link crossover one to this one, and I'll connect another one to this one. It doesn't have a, so what we will do, we'll use the Ethernet. Okay, we'll use 1 to this side, which will be 23, and 2 will be okay. Let's use 1 only, so I will not create a port channel again. And another one we can connect from here. 2 is going to this guy, which is 24. Okay, so even though if we not connect this one, then too we have a connection, because this branch is going through this way and is going this way. Okay, so now here is our gateway 192.168.50.1, and here is 192.168.10.1. so these are the gateways. If you see, this is our gateway this side, and this is gateway this side. Now you see. Okay, let's create this link also trunk, and this is also trunk and trunk. Okay, so if we made a trunk, this one and this one, and then it's a logic connection, physical connection is there, but we have to ping these PCs to these PCs. How? Then we'll enable a Inter-VLAN routing here on this machine. Okay, let's do one thing. So we'll go this switch and we'll ask your 1 it's connected to G1 gigabit conf interface gigabit 0/1 switch port mode trunk, no shut, exit right. Okay, so this side is trunk. Let's go gigabit this side, also make a trunk. We can say host name as a router or L3 switch. Okay, do show interface status. So 1 is already up and it's formed the trunk, because other side is we created trunk, so this is also forming the trunk, but we will do hardcore int gigabit 0/1 switch port mode trunk, description connected to branch C. Okay, exit. Okay, other side also will make a trunk on T show interface status, show int status. Oops, exit. We can go back, show interface status, or you can put do also there. So 1 is connected, this port is connected to this way, so we'll go there. Con T interface part is Ethernet 0/1 switch port mode trunk. Okay, switch port mode access, switch port mode trunk. Okay, made access, and it will change the encapsulation to .1q, and then it will turn into back to trunk. No shut, exit, run, right, show interface status. Okay, so you can see both sides is trunk, it's trunk. As we made trunk here, so these PCs were pinging to each other, but let's see this PC can ping to the other side or not. No, it will not ping, because first. This switch having the packet from here and is saying it's a VLAN 20. And he's sending there. And this guy said, I don't have VLAN 20. I don't have VLANs here. I will discard the packet. So we have to make the both VLANs here. If we see, it doesn't have all in default VLAN. It doesn't have VLAN 10, doesn't have a VLAN 20. So we'll make two VLANs here. VLAN 10, exit VLAN 20. So two VLANs are there. Okay, let's see now if it is pinging. Two. I'm trying to ping from this computer to all the way to this computer. Okay, still no, because first we will check if this guy have a gateway, because we have to give interfaces here. We have to make interfaces for this one and for this one. This is for VLAN 10. We see 10, and this one for VLAN 20. Okay, understand? So these two interfaces we have to make it and give the IP address. Conf t interface VLAN 10. Okay, created IP address 192.168.50.1, 255.255.255.0, 24-bit mask, shut, no shut, exit, write memory, show IP interface brief, and check if there is interface is up. Here we go, it's up. Let's create the second one. Interface VLAN 20, IP address 192.168.10.1, 255.255.255.0. Here you go. Shut, no shut, exit, right, and show IP interface brief, and see both are up. Let's try one more time. This one will give IP address, gateway. Remember, you have to put a gateway here to this PC, that your gateway is here. One. Okay, and this PC let's see, it can ping or no. Still no ping. Let's see. Let's see this PC can ping its gateway or not. IP config, and let's see it is pinging the gateway or not. Yes, it can reach to the gateway, but why it's not coming on the other side? Okay, let's check this guy. It has a gateway. Yeah, it has a gateway. Okay, issue is we have to enable routing on this one. Conf t IP routing. See, enter the command, exit, write memory, and let's see if it can ping or not. This guy. Now see, 2. Let's see after a little time this switch can make a routing or not. Searching. Still no reply. Still not. Let's see more little time. Okay, so still no reply. We'll check if this switch middleman can ping both side or not. Okay, so we'll ping 192.168.50.2. No, it cannot reach, and see if this can go to its gateway or not. We gave IP address 192.168.50.1. No, this guy cannot go to where? Let's see, to the gateway. Because this guy cannot reach to its gateway. Okay, let's troubleshoot this side. Because this guy can reach to its gateway, it means fine. But the other guy, I think we have some mistake here. No, this is okay. And let's see if we can ping the gateway. (10.1). Yeah, it can ping this one, and it can ping the other side gateway also, like 50.1. Yes. Okay, the problem is the other side. Let's see this guy have information regarding. It doesn't have a VLAN 20, which is this side VLAN. These guys don't have information. Show VLANs. See, no VLAN here. 20. So we have to create VLAN here. T VLAN 20. Exit. VLAN 10. VLAN 10 is already here. Exit. Same. We'll make other switch the VLAN also here. Enable conf VLAN 20. Exit. Exit right memory. And now we'll see if we can ping our this switch to other side. Here we go. Let's see. Then we figure out our trunk link between the router, the layer 3, and that we created. Still no. Okay, so we'll check our another this trunk links. Show interface status. Okay, that one is trunk. Okay, this one is trunk, this one is trunk. Let's go this way. This one is connected, but it doesn't go into the trunk link. Okay, so conf t interface fast 0/23. Okay, switch port mode. First do it access, then switch port mode trunk. Now it's up. You got the point, because this guy was not creating any trunk here. Let's see if it's working now. We'll give a little time. Hopefully it will work now. We'll diagnostics one more time and see the reply is coming. Now we can say our computer from 2 is pinging to the 50 side. Any computer from anywhere, we can ping from 3 to VLAN 10 to this side 4. 10 IP config, I will show you. This is 50. Computer is 50. We'll give the gateway first to this guy also. This gateway is 1. I'll copy and paste here, make it 1. Okay, and we can ping here this guy R4. This guy we already can give also the IP address. Gateway is 10.1. Okay, so we'll ping 4 to 4 that guy. This is pinging already, so we can ping from here. IP config is, see, this is a 50 range and 4 is IP, so I will ping this guy 192.168.10.4. we will ping, I'll put a continuous 192.168.10.4. there you go. Hopefully it will work. Let's see. Because in the first time it's taking time, the switches, they are learning, listening, learning, and then they're creating the routing tables, the switch also creating a MAC entries. That's why first time is taking time. This guy doesn't have a gateway. Let me see, double check. We put it gateway. No. Okay. Should give a gateway. That's why it's not working. Anyway, these are the troubleshootings. We will go more. Good. And we'll see if there is a gateway set it. Yeah, no gateway set it. Let's ping again. See, ping is right away. So we have, so all the information is there, and now our lab is good to go. We are all connected via this Inter-VLAN routing. So guys, you know, you learned how VLANs we created, how trunk link we created, how port channel we created. So we learned all these technologies in one lab. So here how you can create VLANs, 2 different VLANs. These 2 we created in a same VLAN, and this is a different VLAN, and here we did Inter-VLAN routing. So this was the video. Hope you guys like it, and you have learned a lot today about the networking. And if you are new on my channel, kindly subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for upcoming good videos, knowledgeable videos. And if you have any query, you can put the comments and I will try to address that comment. Take care. Again, I'm saying before closing the video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Take care.